Hi, I'm doing a little running and then a little walking for a break because I'm just not used to running right now. But anyways, Robbie's up there around the corner training for his half marathon. And I ran the first half mile with him. And then I'm like, I need a break. So I'm going to keep going. I'll catch him on the way back and maybe run with him a bit. So.
The ones I used to know.
So we're making cookies. My mom is making the Grandma Burger sugar cookies, which we tried them and they taste really good. I'm making the snickerdoodle cookies and Rob,
I'm making Oreo balls.
Yeah.
The best.
And we still need to make the peanut butter blossoms with the Hershey Kiss in them and chocolate chip. And oh, my mom made peanut butter fudge already. And then we're making these Kellogg's cookies that I really like. So yeah.
I don't like the Kellogg's.
I like them because they remind me of my great aunt. Alright, so I jacked up the snickerdoodle, but we got a lot of other stuff, so it's okay.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.